Hi class, this is your teacher, Mr. Ezra Reimer. I've had a couple of questions from you about how to turn in your Prezi assignment. So it's actually very simple, but I'm going to do a little video to show you how to do it because it'll make things a little bit easier. So if you're logged into Prezi, when you first log in, you'll see the main page where it has all your presentations. So if you go down, you scroll down, you'll say all presentations. You can see that I've done like a bunch of example ones here for my various classes. But for instance, if I wanted to share this first one here, what I would do is you go down here to the bottom right-hand corner, there's little three dots, which always means more information or a drop-down menu. And I would click on that once, and it pops up this little drop-down menu. And I want you to go to Share View Link. So that will basically allow you to share a link with me, so I'll be able to mark your presentation. So you click on Share View Link, and you'll get this screen that pops up. So we'll click on Create New Link. You can just type in my name here, so Mr. Ezra Reimer, and then hit Create Link. Now, it'll of course pop up this, which is annoying. You just click off that. This link right here is the link that you're going to be creating. So you're going to hit copy. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your classroom once you've copied this link. Now, I have a teacher view, so it's a little bit different. But if you go to your classwork, where it says right here, all about me Prezi, and you go to go down to view assignment, you'll have a screen that looks a little bit like this. But in this top right-hand corner, you'll have that Add or Create button. You click on Add or Create, and then it'll give you a drop-down. And one of those drop-down options is Link. So you click on Link, and then you're just going to paste that Prezi link right in there and hit Submit. And that will give me access to your presentation. Now, you can do this right now if you want to, because it is a live link. So it's not like when you're turning in a Google Doc and it's locked once you turn it in. If you turn in a live link, you can continue working on your project even after you've sort of added it to the classroom. So that's just a little tip for you. So that's how you turn in your Prezi presentation. And let me know if you have any questions about that.